Lowe's just dropped their 2026 New Year appliance sale, and these deals are crushing Black Friday prices. We're talking up to $1,700 off premium refrigerators, washers, and wall ovens. Check the video description below for direct links to every deal featured today. Lowe's refrigeration and freezer deals. Deal number 23. LG LRMXS 2806S Craft Ice French Door Refrigerator was $36.99, now $19.99. Save $1,700. This 28 cubic foot French door fridge features dual ice makers that produce cubed, crushed, and slow-melting craft ice spheres. The slim Space Plus system maximizes shelf room, while print-proof stainless steel resists fingerprints and smudges. LG ThinQ Smart compatibility lets you control settings remotely from your phone. Deal number 22. GE GNE 27JYMFS French Door Refrigerator was $25.99, now $14.99. Save $1,100. 27 cubic feet of storage meets everyday reliability with factory-installed ice maker and internal water dispenser. Spill-proof shelves contain messes, while humidity-controlled crispers keep produce fresh longer. Turbo Cool and Turbo Freeze recover temperatures fast after the door stays open. Deal number 21. Samsung RF29BB8600QL Bespoke French Door Refrigerator was $33.99, now $26.99. Save $700. Samsung's bespoke design brings 29 cubic feet with beverage center featuring an autofill water pitcher that fills itself. Door-within-door access grabs frequently used items without exposing the entire fridge to warm air. Flex Zone drawer switches between 5 temperature modes from freezer cold to wine chiller cool. Deal number 20. Hisense HRM260N6TSE Pure Flat French Door Refrigerator was $28.99, now $16.99. Save $1,200. Pure Flat modern styling meets 25.6 cubic feet of smart storage with Connect Life app control. Through-the-door dispenser delivers cubed or crushed ice plus filtered water on demand. 360-degree LED lighting illuminates every shelf and drawer corner for total visibility. Deal number 19. GE FUF21SMRWW Upright Freezer was $11.99, now $9.79. Save $220. Garage-ready engineering handles extreme temperatures from 0 to 110 Fahrenheit in unheated spaces. 21.3 cubic feet of frost-free storage eliminates manual defrosting chores forever. Slide-out bins, turbo freeze mode, and audible temperature alarm protect bulk food investments. Lowe's laundry appliance deals. Deal number 18. Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo WD53DBA900HZ was $32.99, now $19.98. Save $1,301. Samsung's Ultimate Ventless Combo completes wash and dry cycles in 98 minutes using heat pump technology. AI OptiWash and Dry senses fabric types, then automatically adjusts water, detergent, time, and temperature. 7-inch AI home touchscreen with SmartThings tracks progress and suggests optimal settings. Deal number 17. GE Profile Ultra-Fast Combo PFQ97HSP VDS was $29.99, now $20.98. Save $901. 4.8 cubic feet of ventless convenience washes and dries complete loads in about 90 minutes. Smart Dispense technology stores enough detergent for 32 loads and dispenses precisely what's needed. Pet hair removal cycle plus microban antimicrobial protection keeps fabrics clean and fresh. Deal number 16. GE GUD27ESS MWW Stacked Laundry Center was $16.49, now $13.48. Save $301. Space-saving vertical design stacks 3.8 cubic foot washer over 5.9 cubic foot dryer. Auto-load sensing adjusts water levels based on laundry weight, while automatic dry control stops when clothes are done. 11 wash cycles and simple rotary controls make operation straightforward for apartments and closets. Deal number 15. LG WM3400CW front-load washer was $1,049, now $728. Save $321. 4.5 cubic foot capacity uses 6-motion technology with 6 different wash motions for thorough cleaning. Cold Wash delivers hot water results using only cold water to slash energy bills. Direct drive motor operates whisper quiet and backs up with a 10-year parts warranty. Deal number 14. Samsung WA52DG5500AW Top Load Washer. Was $949, now $748. Save $201. Extra large 5.2 cubic foot drum handles family-sized loads in 28 minutes using super speed wash. Active water jet built into the washer lets you pre-treat stains without running to the sink. SmartThings Wi-Fi sends cycle notifications and lets you start loads from your smartphone. Deal number 13. KitchenAid KDTS 424 SPS Dishwasher. Was $1349, now $899. Save $450. Ultra quiet 44 decibel operation won't interrupt conversations in open concept kitchens. ProWash Adaptive Cycle senses soil levels and adjusts water temperature, pressure, and wash time automatically. ProDry Max system achieves superior drying results even on notoriously difficult plastics. Deal number 12. LG LDFN 4542S Dishwasher. Was $1049, now $599. Save $450. Quad Wash 4-arm spray system delivers dramatically better coverage than traditional 2-arm designs. Dynamic Dry combines high heat with targeted steam for faster, more complete drying performance. Easy Rack Plus adjustable configuration fits tall stemware on top and oversized pans on bottom. Deal number 11. Samsung DW80CG4021SR Dishwasher. Was $649, now $399. Save $250. Budget-friendly entry delivers 3-point wash system for thorough cleaning without premium pricing. Express 60 cycle completes full loads in 1 hour when you need dishes fast. Energy Star Most Efficient certification cuts utility costs, while fingerprint-resistant finish stays cleaner longer. Lowe's Cooking Appliance Deals. Deal number 10. KitchenAid KOEC 730 SPS Wall Oven Combo. Was $49.99, now $32.99. Save $1,700. Premium 30-inch combo stacks microwave over a wall oven with air fry, true convection, and steam bake. Over 30 assisted cooking modes guide you through everything from slow roasts to artisan pizzas. LED touchscreen with backlit knobs displays visual cooking progress, while Print Shield Stainless resists smudges. Deal number 9. GE JT3800 SHSS Microwave Wall Oven Combo. Was $39.99, now $22.99. Save $1,700. 1.7 cubic foot sensor microwave sits above self-cleaning oven with steam clean option. 10-pass bake element spreads heat evenly across the entire oven cavity for consistent results. Never scrub heavy-duty racks slide smoothly, while 8-pass broil element delivers edge-to-edge browning. Deal number 8. Samsung NE63A6511SS Electric Range. Was $1099, now $729. Save $370. Best-selling 30-inch range packs 6.3 cubic foot convection oven with no preheat air fry built in. 3300-watt rapid boil burner brings large pots to temperature incredibly fast. Wi-Fi and voice control through SmartThings lets you preheat remotely or monitor cooking status. Deal number 7. Whirlpool WFES 3330RZ Electric Range. Was $1069, now $649. Save $420. 5.3 cubic foot oven features no preheat mode that cooks frozen foods immediately. FlexHeat dual radiant elements boil water up to 40% faster than standard burners. Built-in temperature sensor monitors oven heat and adjusts automatically for more consistent baking. Deal number 6. GE GRF 400 SVSS Electric Range. Was $929, now $629. Save $300. Reliable 30-inch freestanding range delivers 5.3 cubic feet of oven capacity. Flexible 9-inch/6-inch power boil burner adjusts between large and small cookware. Steam clean option skips harsh chemicals, while Easy Clean ceramic glass surface wipes down quickly. Deal number 5. Frigidaire GCCI 3067AB Induction Cooktop. Was $1999, now $899. Save $1,100. Frigidaire Gallery Induction delivers lightning-fast heat with 4 burners plus versatile bridge element. Temp lock technology maintains precise, steady temperature to prevent overcooking or undercooking. Induction heating keeps spills from burning onto the glass surface for effortless cleanup. Deal number 4. KitchenAid KCGS 556 ESS Gas Cooktop was $17.99, now $12.99, save $500. 36-inch Pro-style gas cooktop anchors 5 burners with a massive 20,000 BTU dual-ring beast. Even Heat 6,000 BTU simmer burner provides ultra-low precision for delicate sauces and chocolates. Full-width continuous cast iron grates let you slide heavy Dutch ovens across the surface. Deal number 3. GE JP3030 DWBB Electric Cooktop was $11.49, now $5.99, save $550. Proven bestseller with 30 inches of sleek black glass and 4 dependable radiant burners. Simple knob controls provide straightforward operation without complicated touch panels or settings. Hot surface indicator lights add safety by warning when burners remain warm after cooking. Deal number 2. LG MVEL 2033F over-the-range microwave was $5.99, now $3.29, save $270. Full-size 2 cubic foot capacity delivers 1050 watts with sensor cooking that auto-adjusts power. Smooth touch glass controls and wide view window create a sleek built-in appearance. Scan to Cook via ThinQ app reads barcodes for automatic cooking while Smart Range Sync activates venting. Deal number 1. Whirlpool WML55011HS over-the-range microwave was $7.32, now $4.29, save $303. Low-profile design fits where traditional range hoods mount, freeing up cabinet space above. 1.1 cubic foot capacity with 1,000 watts handles daily reheating and cooking tasks. 400 CFM venting clears smoke, while tap-to-open door adds hands-free convenience. Those are Lowe's top 23 New Year appliance deals for 2026. Serious savings on refrigerators, laundry, and cooking essentials. Don't forget to subscribe to Valid Consumer for more deal alerts and product reviews. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next money-saving video.